Hello everyone, I am Sudha, Assistant Professor, Department of Biotechnology, St.Josephs College of Arts and Science for Women, Hosur. Now we are going to see about classification of nervous system. Classification of nervous system. The human nervous system is divided into three main branches that are central nervous system, autonomous nervous system, peripheral nervous system. The central nervous system contains two parts, spinal cord, brain. Autonomous nervous system contains parasympathetic nervous system, sympathetic nervous system, and the peripheral nervous system contains efferent nerves, afferent nerves. Autonomous nervous system. The autonomous nervous system comprises nerves that connect the central nervous system to the heart, blood vessels, glands, and smooth muscles. The autonomic nervous system controls all the atomic involuntary functions in the body, including breathing, sweating, digestion, and heartbeat. The autonomic nervous system is divided into the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system. Parasympathetic nervous system. The parasympathetic nervous system becomes active during a state of relaxation. It helps the body to conserve and store energy. It slows the heartbeat, decreases blood pressure, and promotes the digestive process. Sympathetic nervous system. The sympathetic nervous system gets the body to prepare for emergency action. It is involved in the fight or flight response, which is the sudden reaction to stressful or threatening situation. These contain sympathetic and parasympathetic. Sympathetic mydriasis, reduced saliva flow, increased SV and HR, and vasoconstriction, reduced peristalsis and secretion, glycogen is converted into glucose, and inhibition of bladder contraction. In parasympathetic, it is the meiosis, it is stimulated of saliva flow, decreased HR, bronchoconstriction, stimulates peristalsis and secretion, and bladder contraction. Peripheral nervous system. The peripheral nervous system comprises all the nerves that are present outside the brain and spinal cord. These include cranial nerves, 12 pairs that are attached to the surface under the brain. Spinal nerves, 31 base pairs that are attached to the spinal cord. The somatic nervous system relays information from the skin, sensory organs, and muscles to the central nervous system, that is, brain and spinal cord. It also carries the responses from the CNS to the skeletal muscles from voluntary responses. This peripheral nervous system contains ganglion, nerves, brain, and spinal cord. Central nervous system. The central nervous system receives and processes information from the sense. The central nervous system consists of the brain and spinal cord. Both the brain and spinal cord lie in the fluid called cerebrospinal fluid, which cushions and nourishes the brain. The body is connected to the brain by the spinal cord through a network of nerves. It runs from the brain down to the small of the back and is responsible for spinal reflexes, which are autonomic behaviors that requires no input from the brain. The spinal cord is responsible for communication and coordination between the brain and the body. It sends messages from the brain to other parts of the body and from those parts back to the brain. The brain is the main organ in the nervous system. It integrates information from the senses and coordinates the body activities. Components of central nervous system, that is brain, forebrain, midbrain and hindbrain. Forebrain, it contains cerebrum, diencephalon, thalamus, hypothalamus. Midbrain, pons, corpora, cerebral pedunculus. Hindbrains, cerebellum, medulla oblongata. Spinal cord. The spinal cord is protected by two connective tissues covering the meninges and vertebrae and a cushion of cerebrospinal fluid. Function of human nervous system. The nervous system is a network of tissue that communicate via electrochemical signals. It is responsible for receiving and processing information in the body. Gathers information from both inside and outside the body. It is called sensory function. Process the information in the brain and spine. Integration of body process. Sends information to the muscles, glands, organs so they can respond approximately motor function. Response to stimuli, it controls and coordinates all essential function of the body including all other body system, allowing the body to maintain its proper functions and balance. Thank you.